Hi everyone, I am Ramesh KS. Today we will discuss about a few approaches. Let us start our discussion. Okay. In previous classes we learnt the conversions, decimal to binary conversion, decimal number system to binary number system, and decimal number system to octal number system, and decimal number system to hexadecimal number system. These conversions we discussed. Okay now. So now these are the three approaches we learned. Again, other three approaches I am writing. Same, write like this: B, O, H. So this is a binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. I am converting from binary number system to decimal number system. So from D to B, D to O, D to H. Again B to D, O to D, H to D. So O to D, H to D. So these are another three conversions. Binary to decimal conversion, octal to decimal conversion, hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Okay now. So again other six conversions are there. I am writing here: B, O, H, B, O, H. So binary to octal conversion, binary to hexadecimal conversion. Two conversions. Again octal to binary conversion, octal to hexadecimal conversion. Another two. Again hexadecimal to binary conversion, hexadecimal to octal conversion. Again 2. So total 6 conversions. How many total conversions are there? 12 conversions. So the first conversion, decimal number system to binary number system. Second conversion, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. 3 conversions. Binary to decimal conversion, octal to decimal conversion, hexadecimal to decimal number system. These are 3 again. Again, binary number to octal number system, binary number system to hexadecimal number system, octal number system to binary number system, octal number system to hexadecimal number system, hexadecimal number system to binary number system, hexadecimal number system to octal number system. These are the 12 approaches, 12 conversions we are discussing. Okay now. So these 3 conversions we discussed. Now we are concentrating on these 3 conversions. Okay now. If time permits, I will take these conversions as well. Okay now. So all of you know that these 3 conversions earlier classes we were discussed. Correct? So decimal to binary number system, what are the steps? What are the steps? Divide the given number by 2. Divide the given number by 2. And second step, place remainder and quotient. Place remainder and quotient. The third step is repeat step 1 and step 2 until quotient becomes 0. So these are the 3 steps we discussed earlier classes. So all of you know that we implemented as well these 3 steps, okay, practically. Okay now. So again our decimal to octal number system also the same steps, the minor changes. What are the minor changes? Divide the given number by 8 if it is octal. Okay now. The second step is place remainder and quotient. The second step. The third step is repeat step 1 and step 2 until quotient becomes 0. So that is the decimal to octal number system conversion. So the octal to hexadecimal number system the same as it is, the minor changes. So the first step is what? Divide the given number by 16. Why 16? The base of the hexadecimal number system is 16. That's why we are taking 16. Divide the given number by 16. Now the second step what? The second step is place remainder and quotient. The second step. The third step is repeat step 1 and step 2 until quotient becomes 0. So did you observe in this what are the minor changes we captured? What are the minor changes we identified? Yes, we identified the minor changes dividing the given number by its base. That is what the change we made here. So the divide the given number by 2, divide the given number by 8, divide the given number by 16. So these are the steps for all these 3 approaches. So let us concentrate on these 3 approaches. Okay now, that is our main goal. Okay. So now binary to decimal conversion, what is the approach? What is the first step? The first step is multiply each binary digit by its positional weight. So that is the first step. Okay. So let us take one example so that you can understand very clearly. So I am taking this example 10100. So this is which number? It is a binary number. How you can identify it is a binary number? Yes, it is identified as a binary number by knowing the base. The base of this binary number is what? 2. So if it is 2, what it is? If it is 2, it indicates the base of the binary number. That's why it is a binary number. And also the binary number elements are ranges from 0 and 1, right? So the elements are in between 0 and 1, so it is a binary number. Okay now. So now, so 10100 binary number I am converting into where? I am converting into decimal number. So how I am going to convert? 11010. Okay now, 100. So now I am taking here 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cubed, 2 power 4. So here 2 power 0 is what? 2 power 0 is positional weight. It is 2 power 1 is positional weight. 2 square is a positional weight. 2 cube is a positional weight. 2 power 4 is a positional weights. Positional weights. So here the first step is multiply each bit by its positional weight. So this is what 2 power 0 is positional weight. We are multiplying this positional weight with this binary digit. Binary digit. So now I am multiplying each digit by its positional weight. So here 2 power 0 into 0 plus 2 power 1 into 0 plus 2 square into 1 plus 2 cube into 0 plus 2 power 4 into 1. So these are what these are the multiplying each digit by its positional weights. Finally, the second step is add all products. We are adding, this is a product, this is a product, this is a product, this is a product, this is a product. So what we are doing? We are adding these products. Finally, I am writing the, I am simplifying this. 2 power 0 into 0. 0 into anything? 0. 0 plus 0 into anything? 0. That means 0 into 0. Plus 2 square how much? 2 square 4. 4 into 1, 4. Plus 0 into 2 cube means 0. So 0 plus 2 power 4 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 16. Answer is 16. 2 4 times. 16 into 1? 16. So 4 plus 16, what is the value? 220 base 10. So this is which number it is? 20 base 10 is the decimal number. So from where to where we are converted? We are converted from binary number system to decimal number system. So the first approach in this we finished now. Okay. So now the second approach. The second approach is octal number system to decimal number system. The second approach. So what are the steps in this? The same steps, minor changes. But these are, if you learn one approach, the rest of the two approaches is very comfortable. And here also, if you learn the one approach, the remaining approaches are very easy. Okay. So damn easy. Okay. Now I am taking octal to decimal number system. Octal to decimal number system. So what are the steps? Multiply each octal digit by its positional weight. The first step. The second step, add all products. Let us take one example so that you can understand that very easily. So I am taking one example here. 16 base 8. Which number is it? So can you identify this number? It is an octal number or not? Yes, it is an octal number. How you can identify it is an octal number? Because of base. If you place base 8 here, this number indicates which number? Octal number system. From octal number system to which number system we are going to convert? We are converting to decimal number system. So what are the steps? Multiply each digit, each octal digit. I am taking 1 6. So 1 6, in this 1 6, 6 is the octal digit multiplying its positional weight, 8 power 0. So 1, 8 power 1. Okay, 8 power 0 and 8 power 1 is the positional weights of the octal number system. Okay, now for this positional weight 8 power 0, for this positional weight 8 power 1. Okay now. So now the first step is finished. The second step. So multiply each octal digit by its positional weight. Again the second step is add all products. Add all products 1 into 8 power 1. So add all product means this is a product, this is a product. We are adding these two products. So now 8 power 0. 8 power 0 is 1. 1 into 6 plus 1 into 8. 8 plus 16. 8 plus 16 how much? 14. 14 base what? 10. Why 10? We are converting from octal number system to decimal number system. That's why 10. The base of the decimal number system is 10 here. So 14 base 10. So 14 identify it as which number? Decimal number system. The second approach also we finished it. Okay now. So now you can test other examples also. So again I am taking hexadecimal number system to decimal number system. Hexadecimal number systems, all of you know it. From 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 indicates as A, 11 indicates as B, 12 indicates as C. Okay now, 13 indicates as D, 13 indicates as D, 14 indicates as E, 15 indicates as F. Okay now, these are the hexadecimal numbers. So now I am taking very simple hexadecimal number. Okay, let us take 9. Okay na? 9. Otherwise FA also you can take. FA base 60. Base 60. So this is which number? It is a hexadecimal number. So now tell me the steps. Multiply each hexadecimal number by its positional weight. So now take here FA. So here 16 power 0, 16 power 1. So now 16 power 0 into A plus 16 power 1 into F. 16 power 1 into F. 16 power 0 is 1 into A plus 16 into F means which value? How we can identify F value? We can identify F value by knowing this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, 15 as F. Okay na? So now 16 into F is what? 15. So 15 into 16 we have to calculate. A is what? A is 10. So 16 into 15 how can calculate? 15 plus 1 into 16. You can do like this. Otherwise use calculator. Do calculator. 15 into 15, 225. It might be 225. 15 I am taking. 5 plus 5, 10. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 240. So 240 here. The value is 240. 240 plus 10, 250. So 250, from where we are converting? We are converting from hexadecimal to decimal number. So 250 base 10 is the answer. 250 base 10 is the answer. So hexadecimal to decimal number system. So binary to decimal number system, octal to decimal number system, hexadecimal to decimal number system. So these are the three approaches we learned. So what are the steps for decimal to binary to decimal number system? Multiply each binary digit by its positional weight. Second, add all products. That is the steps. Again, octal to decimal number system, what are the steps? Multiply each octal digit by its positional weight. Add all products, the second step. Hexadecimal to decimal number system, multiply each hexadecimal digit by its positional weight. See, you can observe here, multiply each hexadecimal by its positional weight. Finally, add all products. There are the steps for these three approaches. Okay now. So you can remember very easily by going through this diagram. Decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexa. You can draw like this. You can know the each and every conversion. Binary to decimal, octal to decimal, and hexadecimal to decimal. So moving on, I am going to demonstrate you other important interesting concept to you. Okay, let us understand. So the interesting concept is which approach is we are going to capture. So binary to octal to binary conversion we will do it. Okay na? Octal to binary conversion, octal to hexa also we can do it. So octal to binary number system. So for this we have to draw a chart. So with the chart we can know very easily the final result. So what is the conversion now? We are discussing octal to binary number system. Octal to binary number system we are discussing now. So previously they have given octal to binary we finished it, right? Here octal to binary not finished. Decimal to binary we finished. Decimal to octal we finished. Octal to binary we are learning now. So for this I am going to draw a chart for you. Okay, let us understand this chart. So all of you know that in earlier classes we discussed the octal number system elements. So what are the octal number system elements? I am writing here octal number, here binary number. Okay, draw like this chart. So in this, what are the octal numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 7 only we have to take. Okay na? So for 0 equivalent octal, binary digit is what? How we can write? So then we will learn very easy. So do one thing. First 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and 4 ones. Okay, I am writing 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 zeros and 4 ones. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay now? Again 2 zeros and 2 ones. 2 zeros and 2 ones. So 2 zeros and 2 ones. 2 zeros and 2 ones. It is a very easiest approach. So 0, 1, the final one, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is the third element. So if you write like this, if you learn like this, you can remember very easily. Okay na? If you write 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, it's very difficult to understand. Okay na? And now what this chart represents? That means this is the binary equivalent of the octal digit, octal number. This octal number binary equivalent number is this one. This octal number binary equivalent is 0, 1, 0. Okay na? So with this chart we can simplify our approach. Okay? So what is our approach now? Octal to binary conversion is our approach. Octal to binary conversion, we have octal numbers and binary numbers. Correct? Now let us take one simple example so that you can understand. So I am taking 23 base 8. Which number is it? It is a octal number. It is a octal number. From where I am going to convert this octal number? From binary number system I am going to convert. So how we can convert? So see, first step is to identify each bit, each octal digit binary equivalent. So what is the binary octal digit binary equivalent? 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. So 3, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. So the octal number is 3. This equivalent binary number is 0, 1, 1. What is the final answer? Wherever the 2 is there, I am placing 0, 1, 0. Wherever 3 is there, I am placing 0, 1, 1. Base 2. Base 2. So now this is the octal number. This is the binary number. From where to where I converted? From octal number system to binary number system we have converted. So write like this. It sounds good. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, base 2. You can ignore this 0 also as well, no problem. So this is the final result. Okay. So now for more clarity, I am taking another example. Let us understand now. So there is no space here. I am taking here. Okay na? So I am taking 46 base 8. Otherwise take some wrong example. 746 base 8. 746 base 8 to from where? The question like this. Convert 746 base 8 into binary number system. That is the question. So how we can do that? All of you know that. What are the identify the binary equivalent of this octal digit? What is the binary equivalent of this octal digit? 7 binary equivalent of octal digit is 111. So 4. What are the binary equivalent of 4? 100. Correct? 100. Again 4. Now 6 I am taking 6. 6 1 1 0. So these are what octal digits. These equivalents binary numbers are these. Okay. Now if you convert, what is the possible result? 1 1 1. Wherever 7 is there, I am placing 1. So wherever 4 is there, I am placing this value, and wherever 6 is there, I am placing this equivalent binary number 1 1 0 base 2. So what it is? Why it is? It is a binary number. So from where to where we converted? From octal number system to binary number system we converted. So this is the conversion for binary to octal conversion. Understood all of you? So now all of you understood the binary to octal, octal to binary conversion. So now in reverse way, all of you know that binary to octal conversion. Binary to octal conversion. That means binary number they will give you. So we have to convert into octal number. We have to convert into octal number. So what is the approach? The same chart, but the change is they will give you binary number. With that binary number, we are going to convert into octal number. Let us take one example, simple example I am taking. So they will give you one number 10011 base 2. Can you identify which number is this? It is a binary number. So it is a binary number. So from binary number to octal conversion we are discussing now. So which conversion we are discussing now? Binary number system to octal number system we are discussing now. Okay now. So for this the same table, but the one important thing is from here, from right side 3 digits, from right side 3 bits we have to occupy. Here 1 1 0. Again here you can observe here only 2 digits are there. If not, include another 0 here. If you include another 0 also, it won't change the value, right? So now again this 3 bits into one group. Group each 3-bit binary number from right side to left side. Separate. Again place these 3-bit binary numbers by its equivalent octal number. Now identify 011. 011, where it is 011? 011 here. Did you identify it? 011. Equivalent octal number is what? 3. 3. Place 3 here. Place 3 here. And now 010. 010, where it is 010? 010. What is the equivalent octal digit? 2. So 23. So 23 base 8. Base 8. It is the equivalent octal number. So far we discussed the conversions: decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexa, binary to decimal, octal to decimal, and hexadecimal to decimal. Now we discussed which concept, which approach: binary to octal to binary, octal to binary, and binary to octal. Okay na? All of you understood, right? Thank you everyone.